guys, Halloween is almost here. Today we are making 20 cute monster cupcakes. I hope it'll be fun for you to watch. I'm going to show all the tips and tricks, especially for buttercream decoration techniques. So let's get started. So first we need monster eyeballs. Since I'm making them with L'Oreal icing today, that's the first thing we need to work on to let them dry completely before we use. I actually used meringue powder today. I'll leave the links of the product and the recipe down below, but you can use any of your favorite L'Oreal icing recipe. And to color the L'Oreal icing in buttercream, I used this paste colorings. I'll also leave the link below. This one is my favorite. You can totally use white chocolate instead, which definitely tastes better for me, but for the colors, I picked L'Oreal icing today. For the cupcakes, I wanted to add a little something and decided to add Oreo crust on the bottom. So I removed the filling, crushed the cookies, and mixed with melted butter. But I've gotta say, after I tasted them, I thought I probably would like it without the crust. I felt I want more sponge, I want more fluffiness. So nice try to myself, but you might want to just make regular cupcakes without the crust. And now we're gonna make chocolate sponge cake. So watch this video to learn how to make this fluffy chocolate sponge cake step by step. This is our Genoise sponge cake recipe. This is more like fluffy cake and does not contain much oil and fat compared to most American chocolate cake, which is often used for cupcakes. They are more dense and very moist. So you can totally use one of your favorite recipe if you already have. Today I baked with 350 Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. Make sure you do not over bake them as they can get dried more easily since they are small. For this sponge, I highly recommend to wrap them tight and let it rest in the fridge overnight before decorating or eating them, since it gets a lot more moist and the flavors get more even and enhanced compared to right after they are made. So today I'm going to use American buttercream, which is the most basic and easy buttercream, but if you have your favorite buttercream, you can use that. So American buttercream holds the shape pretty well, and Swiss buttercream also do a great job with holding the shape. So they are often used to pipe flowers or decorate detailed designs. This is pretty simple and easy. Just add softened butter, salt, powdered sugar, and heavy cream. Beat well until they get fluffy. Watch this video to learn how to make the American buttercream step by step. The link is below as well. And to pipe the buttercream, I only used those 6 tips. I especially used this and this. I'll leave the links down below just in case you want to get them. Now to make ganache, melt dark chocolate chips and mix with warm heavy cream. Let it cool down completely and mix in buttercream. And I added some black coloring. I wanted the black color on the surface so that it looks more spooky for the monsters with the mouths open. But you can just color the regular buttercream or just skip this part. And then I colored the rest of buttercream. I made white, pink, orange, light purple, yellow, green, blue, light gray, red, brown, yellow, and black. I made the 12 colors today, but you can try any colors you like, as many colors as you like. So let's finish making the monsters. The startup ladder is the most classic Halloween king, pumpkin jack. Kind of reminds me of the fuzzy creatures in the movie Alice in Wonderland. They look so cute. I made the marble with 2 colors. I like to use plastic wraps when I do that. If you use orange and red or pink and red, it should look like a brain, which will be a lot more creepy. piped some buttercream on top to make it taller for the shape and pipe like that all around. Pipe the white buttercream on top like this. I actually piped the dots earlier to attach on face as nails, but I forgot to attach it, so here is a Frankenstein without nails. And here is a wolf. Used plain white buttercream for the teeth today. And talking about monsters, I couldn't avoid making a cookie monster. I cracked Oreo into 4 pieces and sticked one of them like that instead of using a chocolate chip cookie. This is not a cookie, but a candy monster. I used the very random candy I had in my pantry. It might look cuter with candies with more clear colors. And this is one of my favorite grandpa monster. Grandpa looks sleepy, he needs some nap. And this is to my sister, who is scared of spiders more than anything. I piped the eyes with royal icing, but you can also do with black buttercream instead. And I also wanted to make rock and roll band monster. I hope you get the vibe, like 60s rock and roll band. And this guy looks like the monster more than others. For me, it's a classic monster look. And the last is black cat. Next time I should make the color yellow to make it look more spooky. Alright, they're complete. They are all here for trick and treat Halloween night.
Happy Halloween!
After Ray came back from school, I surprised her with them.
What do you think?
It's awesome. I like this.
Which one?
This.
This one?
style of Frankenstein is the dead. Style of Frankenstein is the dead.
Mom is going to eat the ground.
And I want this.
Fun discussing which one we should eat. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you'll have a happy Halloween watching some scary movies or eating some candies. And please let me know which monster was your favorite. I would like to know. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.